Hello everybody, back to my channel, Patrick here. I'll be opening these Kinder Joy eggs with the Stranger Things Funko Pop toys inside. So I'm opening these three and see who I get. And hopefully I don't get any duplicates. So let's find out. Let's do this one first. Let's see. Who did I get first? If I can open it. This is hard to get open. I don't know why it's hard to get open. Okay. I don't know what I got first. Oh, I think I can tell. And it's Hopper. Ferris hat. So, okay, I need to figure out how to put the hat on. Okay, and it comes with a string, but I'm not going to put the string in it. So, here's the instructions. So, we got Hopper. That's the first one. So, hopefully the other ones are not duplicates. These are the ones you can get from the Funko Pops from Stranger Things. It's cool. And oh, you can also, I think, also get these ones too. So, okay, you don't know what you're gonna get type of thing. Alright, thinking this. Yeah. So these go together first. If I can do that, and then put the hat. I think the hat goes this way, or is it this? Yes, this way. Here we go. We got Hopper. I like that. Alright, let's open the other two. Let's open this one next. Hopefully, it's not a duplicate. Let's find out. And it's not. Good. Let's take a good look at it. And we got, I think this is, yeah, I'm trying to remember his name. I have seen the shows, but it's been a while. So I think his name is. It's both of them. Oh yeah, that one scene. Steve and I forgot her name, but it's cool. So put these two together like this. It's cool. That, yeah, I remember. I don't know, but I think it was season 3, I believe. They were tied up together. I don't remember which season, but yeah, I'm going to put this on top. Wait. Okay, I'm supposed to put this first. Okay. How am I going to get this undone without breaking it? Okay. Let's do, I think it's trying to, yeah, this way. Oh, trying to, sorry, I was trying to figure out, so I gotta put it in this direction. There we go, got that. And now, time for this one. If I can figure this out. There we go, all done. Alright, time to open the last final one. And this one better not be duplicate, because hopefully I don't get these two once again. Let's find out. And it's not. That's a good thing, because I don't want to have duplicates. And it is, oh, it's a Demogorgon. I think that's what it's called, Demogorgon. I don't remember what this is. Yeah, it's this one. Sorry, couldn't tell you up close, but does it say the names? It doesn't say the names, does it, on this stuff? No, it doesn't seem like, but it's a Demogorgon. I think that's what it's called. I don't really remember. Let's see, is it this way? This way do I put it? Oh, supposed to come with something else. Oh, comes with this. Okay, so first I put this. I need to remember to do this correct. Okay. So, trying to show you guys. But right, this is what the instructions tell me to do with this one. And that's it this way. Supposed to put, oh yeah. Put it, oh, okay, so from here all the way to there. Okay, and then so this direction. If I can. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So it's this direction. Yeah, this direction. So you guys up close. Sorry, but there we go. The Demigorgon. So this one you could put like under a pencil. So, and this one, oh, I messed up this one because it also has a thing too right here. Okay, let me fix it. It's right here. I didn't see that at all. Okay, let me fix this one. Let me fix it up. Okay, first I got the hat on, so let's put this from here. If I can get it on there. There we go. To there. There we go. That goes first. Now I put Steve Harrison. I think that's his last name, but Steve. Voila. Now that's better. Okay, so we got all of these ones. We got Hopper, Steve, and Robin. I think that's her name, like tied up. This from like one of the seasons. And then we got this Demigorgon type of thing. And so these pretty much are similar to put on pencils and stuff. This is you can put on like bags or anything, but I just don't feel like doing that because I just like keep it like this. So yeah, well, these look so cool, so amazing. So pretty much we got more to get. So which one? So I don't think it shows this one in the wheel. Yeah, I don't see it. Okay, well that's fine. And probably it's another Demigorgon you can get. So I guess you can get different ones. I guess these, or like ones that are not on that paper, including these. I really do enjoy opening these Kinder eggs, and I seeing all the different type of toys and making sure I don't get a duplicate. And because I got the DC ones and the Harry Potter ones, so when I saw the Strange Things, like I really am glad I got this because I do like the show a lot. So this is so cool, so amazing, and this is very awesome. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and be who you are. Bye.